All right, here is your choice board for Unit 5, Lesson 11, Chapter 7, Geology, Weathering and Erosion, Part 2 for this week. On the top row, you will be watching a video about ordering adjectives and answering the question. And it's going to give you a whole bunch of choices, where you get to order the adjectives. And that's where your poster that you made with the acronym is going to help you. I also have right here adjective order. As you can see, her orange skies acronym is a little bit different because her material is before her origin, but I don't believe it's going to make any difference on the ones that you have to do. That's why it's not set in stone. I don't really think you're ever going to have a sentence with 9 adjectives and have to put them in order. So, you might get 2 or 3 adjectives, so you're never going to have to put 9 in order. So it's not set in stone that it has to be this way. So use this chart, use your poster, and you will be fine. So that's your video about ordering adjectives. Then here is another video about idioms where you'll watch it and then answer the questions. And then here's a great video. It's kind of like the one that you've watched about I'm a Bill in history. And this is about the suffix ly. It's a great one and shows you what it means and how it changes the word. It's a good one. Then here you have an IXL about adding the suffix ly. And it says a suffix is a syllable added to the end of a word that will change its meaning and form a new word. The suffix ly means in a certain way. When you're doing your IXL, that's really going to help you to remember that it means in a certain way. I would keep this open so that while you're doing your IXL, you can look back here. For example, quickly means in a quick way. Happily means in a happy way. Slowly means in a slow way. The doctor quickly ran to the hospital. It means he ran in a quick way. And then here again is your nice adjective order chart. And then here is an IXL on how to order adjectives. I'm telling you, you're going to know how to order adjectives when we're done with this, I think. And then spelling. We've got only 10 words. Here, you put them into ABC order, and these are on Google Classroom on the same place that you get to choose your choice board. ABC order, and then here, your syllables, where you clap your words and really pay attention when you're typing them in how you spell them by syllable. I think that will help you a lot. And then our fun games right here with your spelling words. Have fun.